You can wait just a moment while Sean appears. Thank you. You can model fair trades with a linear system. You can solve linear systems by solving one of the equations for one of the variables. Then substitute the expression for the variable into the other equation. This is called the substitution method. Problem 1. Using substitution. What is the solution of the system? Use substitution. Here we're given y equals 3x as our first equation, slope-intercept form, and x plus y equals negative 32 in standard form. Step 1. Y equals 3x. Notice how the y is already isolated in the first equation. That sets this system up really nicely for the substitution method. We can substitute 3x for y in the second equation, the x plus y equals negative 32 equation. So x plus y equals negative 32, but substituting this equivalent value for y that we got from the first equation, 3x, we can rewrite the equation as x plus 3x equals negative 32. What we've done here is we took an equation that had two variables and we converted it into an equation that now only has one variable. Once it has one variable, we can solve for that one variable and identify a single value equal to x. So as we continue now, 4x equals negative 32, so x equals negative 8. We now know the value of x associated with the solution to this system of equations. But we still need to find y. To find y, we'll move to step 2 and substitute negative 8 for x in either equation. It's up to us at this point. So choose the equation that looks either the easiest or like the equation that you're least likely to make mistakes working with. In this case, the example is going to substitute negative 8 for x in the first equation, the y equals 3x equation. So y equals 3 times negative 8, and that's negative 24. So our solution is negative 8, the value we found for x, and negative 24, the value we found for y. We should always check our solutions to systems, just as we did when graphing, by substituting our solution into each equation. So we check. In the equation y equals 3x, does our solution work? Well, negative 24, does that equal 3 times negative 8? And sure enough, negative 24 equals negative 24. We should also check in the second equation. So x plus y equals negative 32. Is it true that negative 8 plus negative 24 equals negative 32? Sure enough, negative 32 equals negative 32. So we can confidently state that the solution to this system is negative 8, negative 24. Your turn. What is the solution of the system? Use substitution.